If you've just got your new Galaxy S25 Ultra or Plus and you want to switch up that default notification or app notification sound, maybe you're looking to add a custom song or audio to make it more personal, let's go ahead and see how to change and customize the notification alert. Okay, so for that, open up Settings. From there, go to Sounds and Vibration and enter a notification sound. Now select the SIM that you want to change the notification sound. In case you're using dual SIM, select the SIM first. And as you can see from here, you can just keep scrolling down and keep checking out all these pre-installed sounds that you want to use as your notification alert. Just select the one that you want to use. Now I bet a lot of people know this, but what if you want to use a custom sound or audio as your notification sound? To add that, first make sure to transfer those audio or MP3 files to your device. Now go ahead, open up My Files, select the Audio All Files location, select all those files, and what you need to do is just either move or tap on Copy, tap on Internal Storage, and here exactly search for the notification folder. And then just copy or move those files in here. After that, if you go back to the settings, you will see a custom notification section is appearing in here. Your task is simple. Just go ahead, select the one that you want to use as your custom notification sound. Now here, note 2 important things. 1, if the sound length is more than 5 seconds, it might not work. And also, to properly apply this, you might need to restart your device and wait for a while, that's all. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.